This is a brief tutorial on bringing your Deveron imagery into the field using free software and apps. You will need Google Earth Pro, a mobile app that supports the importation of KMZ files, such as Map Plus for iOS, which is the one I'll cover in this tutorial, or Locus Map for Android. You will also need a transfer method, such as a cloud provider or a USB connection. To start with, open the Deveron deliverable in Google Earth. You must use the file that ends with the suffix rgba.tiff. To open this file, simply drag and drop onto the Google Earth canvas. On the next window, select the Scale button. Once your map has loaded, click OK on the next window, and then locate your new layer on the left-hand side and select Save Place As. You may need to delete the file extension at the end of it, but ensure that you are saving it as a KMZ file. If you chose to do so, upload this to your cloud provider of choice, and in this case I used OneDrive. Next, open the KMZ on your iOS device. You can use your cloud app or a USB connection. In this case, again, I used OneDrive, so I select the vertical ellipses and then open in another app. I copy this map over to Map Plus, where it gets automatically imported, and I select Continue to load the map onto my canvas, where I can scroll, zoom, and make annotations with live GPS. And with that, you are now ready to do targeted field walks with your Deveron imagery.